Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to link your debit card to Robinhood. Now make sure to follow all the steps and at the end of the video you will be able to do it. First of all, open your Robinhood application and go to this profile section just on the below section most right corner. Just click on your profile icon, and once you're into the profile section you will be seeing this kind of interface. So from here just click on these three lines on the upper left corner, and once you click there you will be seeing this kind of menu. So from here you can just click on transfer, and once you click on transfer you will be redirected to this page. So on this page make sure to scroll down, and once you scroll down go to the end and you will be seeing like an option called link accounts. And once you see this section linked accounts, so you will be seeing all the accounts that are already linked. So from here you can just click on add account, and once you click on add account you will be seeing this kind of interface like choose account type, link one debit card or up to three bank accounts. So you can read as well, like if we are talking about the card, so make sure to click on debit card, and once you click here you will be asked to like enter your card information. So from here you can just enter the complete card number, select the month, the year, and just click on continue. And once you click on continue they will be like your information will be submitted and your card will be linked to Robinhood. So that is a simple and easy process of how you can do it. Now make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel if you find this video useful.